A channel is a central place where users can talk to each other. By default, a general channel is created for team-wide communications and announcements. Microsoft Teams users can also create their own channels for different topics. All teamed members will automatically be added to all channels. Viewing channels. To view a list of channels in a team, move our mouse over the team, and click the chevron to expand it. Now, click the channel we want to display. The channel contents will then be displayed in the main window, including messages and activity, like member changes or edits to the name. Note the three tabs at the top of the window. These allow us to view different aspects of the channel, and can be customized. How to create a channel. We can click the ellipses next to the team name and click Add Channel. We will now see the Create a Channel dialog box. Simply enter the channel name and description of the new channel, and then click on Add. The new channel is now created and displayed. How to mark a channel as a favorite. We can mark a channel as a favorite by clicking the ellipses next to the channel name. Now click on Pin. It will now be displayed in the top section of the Teams window. To remove the channel from favorites, click on the channel in the favorites area. Now click on the ellipses. Now click on Unpin. When a channel is not a favorite, it will be placed at the bottom of the list and displayed in italics. Want to know more? Then subscribe to the How To channel and find out how to navigate Office 365.